here we have a pretty unique and fairly rare prairie grass. This grass is called Carolina joint tail. I'm not sure the scientific name, but this grass, not very common in our prairie ecosystems. It will have this very, very unique seed arrangement. Where it gets its name joint tail, it looks like a rat's tail, and when you bend the seeds sideways, it looks like it's jointed. Also, if you were to look at the stem of this plant, you would notice that every knot or every node, which is our growth point of our leaves, at every node it joints, it changes direction. So that could be another reason that it gets its name joint tail. As far as forage quality or availability, it's pretty palatable for livestock. They readily will consume this plant. It just doesn't make a lot of forage. It has these really long, narrow, really fine leaves that just doesn't make up a lot of weight as far as forage consumption. But it's just a really neat plant, pretty unique in its seed head arrangement. It'll have these little purple anthers. Those are the reproductive parts that catch that pollen and fertilize that seed. There's another species that looks sort of like this called jointed goat grass. It's a little more shorter but more robust. It's more of a crop field weed. You really won't encounter that out here in a nice prairie ecosystem like we have today. So this again is Carolina joint tail, a pretty rare and pretty unique prairie species.